Hi guys, welcome to Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nestle and in today's episode I will make banana bread. And these are my ingredients. I have egg, melted butter, some buttermilk, salt and baking soda, sugar, all-purpose flour, some chocolate chip, walnuts and 3 ripe bananas. I will start first with combining all of my wet ingredients. My eggs, my butter and my buttermilk. Whisk them together. Then I mash my ripe bananas with a fork. I will add my bananas also to my wet ingredients. Mix them together. Now I will combine all of my dry ingredients. My flour, sugar, salt and baking soda, my chocolate chips, I put around half a tablespoon to side to decorate my banana bread and also my nuts. And combine them very quick. Then I take my wet ingredients and pour them to my dry. Combine them. Important is to not over mix your batter, that we don't have any gluten developing. As soon as I see that everything is good combined, I stop to mixing. I will bake my banana bread in an 11-inch loaf pan. I did already greased my loaf pan and put some parchment paper in it and just pour my batter in it. Now I take the rest of my chocolate chip and just sprinkle it on top, and also my chopped walnuts. My banana bread is now ready to go in the oven. I did preheat my oven to 350 degrees. My banana bread did bake for around 55 minutes, but depending on your oven, the baking time will change. After that, I moved it over to a cooling rack and let it cool down completely. Now it is ready to serve. I hope you will like the recipe. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will put all the exact measurements in the description box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.